Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You want this to go smoothly, so first plug your Android into power or pair it with the car now. This prevents drops and keeps the screen alive. Open Google Maps and grant location access so routing works. If asked, allow microphone for voice entry. Tap the search bar and type or speak your destination, then press the blue directions button. This begins a live route. Once done, choose driving mode and glance at the overview before you move. Once your destination appears, you should pick the route that works for you. Tap options to avoid tolls or highways, or choose the fastest ETA. Make sure voice guidance is on and the volume is audible before you drive, because audio cues free your eyes. If your car supports Android Auto, switch now for larger buttons and better integration, otherwise use split screen carefully. Also enable lane guidance so you get turn-by-turn hints. These keep you in the correct lane and reduce last-minute maneuvers. You're driving now, so follow the voice prompts and only glance at the screen when it's safe. The ETA and next turn preview help you plan lane changes ahead of time. If you notice GPS drifting or a lost signal, safely pull over and toggle location or restart maps to require satellites. Make sure you download offline maps for remote routes before you go, because once cell service drops, the app won't reroute. If guidance fails, reconnect USB or...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.